Hi everybody and welcome back on this new review from my two BETOPPER lights. I've got here the LF2405 and the LF, I have to check this one, 4808. I have to say it correctly, otherwise I get a lot of comments, of course, of you from it's just the other way around, or it's not the perfect light, or it's another light. Don't worry, that's why I just checked it. I have those lights for quite some time, but I was very busy this summer, so I couldn't make a review earlier. So here is my review now of the lights. I use them at some small venues and I just use them with the built-in microphone. Of course, you can connect them to a DMX system and then you can let all the lights have the same color, go crazy with the stroboscope and do all the things you want. I just tested this one out on his internal program and I put this one on the internal microphone and that was working really great. I really liked how the lights perform. The only thing I didn't like, it was a small venue and the lights give a lot of light. So for me it was nice if there was a small knob on the back where you can change the light or the strongness of the light. For me it would be very nice. On a small venue you can turn it a little bit back, and on a big venue you can give it the full light. Of course, when you connect them to a DMX system, you can change the strongness of the light with the DMX system. For me, it was a small venue, so I didn't bring a DMX system. Just I want to test the lights, and that was great. The internal programs, they work fantastic, so no complaints about that. It's very simple. On the back of the unit, you have a fan here, you can connect the power here, I have to check, you can connect the DMX system here, you have a display here, you can choose the menu up, down and enter whatever you want. I use this one on the ground, so I put it down like that and that worked great. You can put them in the back of you, of course, and let them shine, or you can mount them on a truss or whatever you want. One downside with this unit, it makes a lot of noise. Not the unit itself, but the built-in fan. When the music dropped, you heard the fan making some noise, and it was the fan in there. So I think that's a minor point. For the rest, I really love the units. You can see this unit is a little bit thicker, and of course the same connections, the power, the DMX and the display with the menu and up, down and the enter. This unit is a little bit heavier as that unit. Maybe that's also why it makes a little bit more noise than this unit. I don't know. I like the units. For me, they worked perfect. Of course, everybody has to judge it by themselves. I really love on this unit the stroboscope. I'm gonna use them more. If there are any things I should notice about the units, I will tell you, of course. For now, if you have any questions about the units, leave a comment. I try to answer them. Those two units, because that's the units I tested out. It's the BETOPPER LF2405 and the LF 4808 unit. I also leave a link of the website of BETOPPER in the description. They often have promotions on the website, so check it out. If you have any questions, you also can go to their website, and of course they answer all your questions. If you like the review, leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up, and I hope to see you on the next one. Enjoy.